Hello. In this video, I'll be looking at how you can set up a Meet link so that everyone has access to it and that you only need to do it once. I have on the screen a general purpose course that has been set up. I haven't done anything with it yet. This is how it comes straight to you from the CC, although of course it might be named better. We can see on the front here, we have a Meet link. And if you click on that, you will start a Meet. However, this line here is only visible if you are logged into Google using your domain account. In other words, your nccadultlearning.ac.uk account. Now that's fine for you and me as tutors. However, if you're a learner, you'll be using a Gmail account, which is not part of our domain. Therefore, this link won't appear. So how do we get this link available to all of the learners? Okay, the easiest way I've found to do this is to go to the settings, which is up here on the top right-hand corner. And you click on here and then scroll down until part of the general section, we go to where it says Meet. And here you see the same Meet link again. At the moment, there's a little switch which says visible to students. Now, it really doesn't actually matter which way around that is, whether it's visible or not. You will only see that link, as I say, if you're logged on as our domain. So we need to make this link visible to all our learners. So if we click on the little downward arrow, we can either reset it and get a different code, or if we select copy, that's our key to success. So we select copy, which copies that link into the copy buffer. We then need to go back to the course. Oh, I've made a change, so I can discard it. Now, this is where we can set up in the Classwork a permanent link to that Meet. So we click on Classwork and we need to create a new material, and we can put it in this header section here. So I click on Create, Material. In the title, I put something meaningful like and then in the description, I can then type in the code. So I can put something like, and then I can paste in the link that I copied from the other page and press enter. Now I can post that link. And there we have at the top of the Classwork now a class Meet code. If I click on it, it will take me to the link. I click on that and I shall enter the same meeting code each week. Now, if you are recording that meeting, that'll still work each week, because when you do a recording of the meeting, it puts this code on the beginning, but it also puts a date and timestamp when the meeting starts. So you'll never get two that will overwrite one another. You can also put that same Meet link in the stream if you wish, just like an ordinary announcement. You can put this is the Meet link, and then you can post it. There we go. And we can post that. And that will be visible as the first thing they see when they come on the course. However, don't forget, as you post other things within Classwork, etc., then this will eventually move down. So I would strongly recommend you always put it in the Classwork at the top, and it'll stay like that. So there you go. That's how you put a permanent link into the Classwork for the Meet, and that won't expire.